Welcome to this Specialty Products Company installation video for the 87 365 camber kit. This part is used on the Ford Crown Victoria, Mercury Grand Marquis, and the Lincoln Town Car from 2003. Sagging of the suspension on these heavyweight vehicles routinely causes negative camber issues. This kit is designed to extend the range of the stock camber adjuster by plus or minus 1½ degrees. Please follow all safety precautions associated with equipment used to install this product. Left side installation is illustrated here. The right side installation will be similar. Start by removing the nut holding the stock cam bolt. Raise the vehicle by the frame until the wheel is just off the rack. Remove the inner steering rack boot clamp and pull the boot out of the way. Secure it so it does not interfere with removal of the cam bolt. Clean and wrap the exposed steering rack to prevent damage to the shaft during installation of this kit. Remove the steering rack retaining nut, then remove the stud from the frame. Lift the rack slightly, just enough to remove the stock camber bolt and secure. Use caution not to damage steering shafts or wiring. Now remove the stock camber bolt from the vehicle. Lower the vehicle slightly while prying down on the lower control arm bushing. The control arm bushing should be clear of the existing hole in the frame. Take the smaller of the two cam washers and place it over the existing slotted hole. For positive camber change, place the hole in the washer towards the center of the vehicle. Mark the area on the frame to be cut out. Repeat the procedure for the rear using the larger cam washer. Using an aluminum rotary file, such as the 85-137 found in the 85-130 rotary file set, grind out the frame to the marks. Again, repeat the procedure for the rear bolt hole. Clean the aluminum shavings from the steering shaft area. Raise the vehicle so the lower control arm bushing is in the proper position. Place the small spacer towards the head of the new cam bolt, then slide on the smaller cam washer. Install the assembly through the lower control arm bushing. From the rear, install the larger cam washer and the retaining nut. Tighten the nut lightly, then check for full movement of the camber adjusting cams. Drop the steering rack back into its proper position and then install the stud. Install the rack retaining nut and torque to 75 pound-feet. Remove the steering rack protection. Make sure there are no aluminum shavings on the steering rack and install the rack boot back onto the rack housing. Using the supplied clamp, secure the rack boot to the housing. Use a band tool such as the 02099 to install the boot clamp. With the alignment equipment installed, adjust camber by rotating the head of the bolt until the desired camber is reached. Tighten the nut to 175 pound-feet. Adjust front toe and road test the vehicle.